Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the most delicious savory sweet potato salad you've ever tasted. Greetings, Sanibona, and welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. On medium to high heat, heat the oil in a pan, then fry the bacon. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Once it's cooked and crispy, take it from the pan and cool it entirely. Wash, peel and cut into halves or quarters the sweet potatoes. Place them in a baking tray and sprinkle salt and black pepper. Sprinkle the smoked paprika, the garlic powder, which is optional. Add the potato spice. It's optional, but it does add great flavor. Add oil from the bacon. Hopefully it will be cool by then. Add the fresh thyme sprigs or the leaves, then rub the flavoring with your hands. For more delicious recipe videos, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Roast or bake them for 20 to 30 minutes or until they are golden on the edges. Then cool them entirely and place them in a bowl. Chop the bacon and add it to the bowl, including the chopped bell peppers and red onion for the colors and flavors or textures to pop. Then mix. This will bring a perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors and textures. Add the mayonnaise, the sweet chili and the BBQ sauce and stir. In the comment section, please tell me how you like to prepare your potato salad. I would like to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your loyal support. Taste your salad and make seasoning adjustments if necessary. Place the salad in a serving dish. This salad is filling, satisfying, nutritious and delicious. Garnished with fresh parsley. Oh, the delicious combination of the crunchy, smooth, sweet, savory in one bowl. If you got any value from this video, please press the like button below. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Stay blessed. You are loved. Bye bye.